I wanted to give you the easiest tutorial that you'll find on the internet, just walking you through this neutral glam. Okay, this is something for my girlies out there who are beginners, who are just dabbling in makeup, who want to get some kind of dimension going on. You're tired of just popping the bronzer in the crease and you want to kind of step it up a little bit. I'm going to show you how to get this look. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Megan Yvonne if you're new. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. I'm so glad you're here. If you are a new subscriber, welcome to the family. So today's video is going to be all about this neutral glam look right here. I wanted to give this look for my beginner girlies who are just getting into makeup, who really want to like step up their makeup game a notch, but you know, they're just dabbling, they're just starting out, and they're like, I'm trying to figure out, what do I do next? Where do I place what? How do I do it? So I figured I would come with this little eyeshadow look. So let's get into the video. Hi guys, welcome back. So I'm just gonna jump right in, and we're gonna tell you what this video is about a little later. I'm gonna start off with my e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. I used this and I fell in love with it. It was just like so hydrating. So I did a video about it, my favorite e.l.f. products, and yeah. I'll link that for you in the cards, but please check it out, because there are some products that are just so good and worth mentioning, worth trying out if you haven't tried them already. I just really like what it does for the skin. We're in a little e.l.f. party today, and with the e.l.f. Halo Glow. Then I'm going to go in with this Halo Glow Beauty Wand, and this is in the color Champagne. So it has like a applicator, but you squeeze it and then the product comes out. Use a different foundation today, but we're just going to use our trusty, and that's the NARS Soft Matte. And more recently I did a video just how I use the Beauty Blender versus the Puff, and you know, my thoughts on that. So check it out if you haven't seen it already. Okay, that's what we got going on for brows. I'm going to use a little bit of this Milk. It's actually a stick foundation, but this is in the shade Warm Deep. And I'm going to kind of contour. This is a really easy look if you are just getting started with eyeshadow and you're like, I don't know what to do with what, where to put what, and how, you know, I want it to look cute, but I'm new, I don't know how to do this. You want a palette that is neutral, that has, and when I say neutral, I mean colors that are close to your skin tone, kind of muted colors, so like soft browns, soft pinks. The Soft Glam palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills is really good. They also have it in a full size, and they do have it in a mini size, but they have like a mix of tones. So and they also have a black, and then they have some shimmer shades in there, so you can get a little creative. The smaller palette, I believe, only has like a few shimmers, but it has like your basics. But you want to start off with something like that. If, like I said, if you're just getting started and you're trying to figure out, you know, all the logistics surrounding just how to, you know, when you first start doing your eyeshadow, go in with like a color that's close to my concealer. You can do this one or two ways. You can either use a color that's close, or you can just use like your translucent powder to set your under eye, but to set your eyelids. So right now I'm just making sure that it's really all blended in, and this has like the concealer obviously because I just blended it out, but it does have a mix of some of the translucent powder on there from before when I did my under eye. I'm just going to take a really light shadow as like a transitional shade. Just pop that kind of right under my lash, right under my eyebrow. And I'm gonna go in and tidy up my eyebrows too, but that's neither here nor there. I'm gonna go in and do that. Then I'm gonna go in with a deeper brown, and still with the same brush, and kind of go under that. I'm just going to kind of diffuse the color. And this is really going to just give you the base of what your shadow is going to look like. And I'm kind of just doing like little small circular motions. Concentrate that toward the end. On both sides. And then, because I want like the inner, not the inner, but I want the lid color to be very light. I'm gonna take a flat concealer brush like this, and I'm using the color Orange Soda, so you can see that it's really, really light. Just popping it all in without really making it a defined crease or anything. Like my mobile lid. Okay, so if you can look right here, you can see like they're not giving the same thing. They don't look alike. So I'm going to show you how to correct that, because clearly this wing looks like it wants to run off, right? Take my concealer brush and I'm just going to clean it up from the bottom first. Did that fix it a little bit? Okay, it fixed it a little bit. Then I'm going to clean it up on the top. And you see, it fixed it without me having to keep drawing and drawing and drawing and then risk, you know, really messing it up. But, and I suggest you do this with a cream concealer and not a liquid. Because then you have to wait for it to dry down and all those things, and it can get really messy, and we don't want it. Now I'm gonna go in with my Lash Roll mascara. So much as always for tuning in. If you haven't already, give this video a thumbs up. It really does help out the channel. It helps out my video. It helps get my video out there to more viewers. And we're always looking to grow the family. Also, if you are new here and you haven't seen any of my other videos, check the links in the cards up top. I do always link them for you. Also, if you haven't, go ahead and subscribe to the family. I mean, subscribe to my channel, join the family. I would really love to have you a part. Over here, I share lifestyle, I share beauty and inspirational content, so I would love to share that with you. Go ahead and hit subscribe and hit the notification bell. Make sure you're hitting all notifications so you can be notified when my new videos go up, which my new videos go up on Tuesday and Fridays at 12 p.m. Eastern time. So go ahead, hit subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can be tuned in when those videos go live. Also, comment down below if you have any looks that you would like to see me do or any special video requests, so that I can add them to my calendar for July. I would love to know what those are. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Mwah! Bye!